Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can upload a video on TikTok. So it's pretty simple. So for this, what you need to do is open TikTok on your browser because this is not available in the app of TikTok. So in your browser, you want to click on the plus upload button at the top. From this upload button, what you need to do is upload a video on TikTok. So I'm going to choose a random video which I'm going to upload on TikTok. Once you're in the upload page, what you need to do is choose a video you want to upload. You can drag and drop the video you want to upload just like this. Once this is done, you can choose whichever caption you want to give this video, and you can even choose an edit cover photo for your video. Once all of this is done, what you can do is keep scrolling down and click on schedule video. Make sure this is on. Once this is on, you can choose the date of when you want this video to be uploaded, and even choose the time over here. After everything you want to do is overdone, after whatever you want to do is done over here, you can even run a copyright check if you want to, and then you can click on schedule and the video will be uploaded. I mean scheduled, and on the date which you want, it's going to be uploaded. Okay, so that is basically how you guys can schedule upload on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel step. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.